Danse Macabre is opened at Efteling. Inspired by Camille Saint-Saëns' 19th century orchestral masterwork, Danse Macabre is the first installation of Intamin's Dynamic Motion Stage ride. The backstory here is the disappearance, 150 years ago, of conductor Joseph Charlatan and his orchestra. Charlatan's descendants inherited an enchanted barrel organ, Esmeralda, which has brought them to this forest chapel. Is this the musician's final resting place? Danse Macabre is a spinning ride, but the speed and direction of the motion helps it feel more like you're dancing to spooky music rather than about to meet your maker. Enjoy this ride on Danse Macabre.